Well, back to Oscar this way. Oscar's a little bit salty right now. We sold his Tesla last week, and today, boys, we're selling another one of his cars. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. So Ryan is driving down from Idaho right now to pick up the new vehicle. I'm really gonna miss this vehicle. I've driven this so much in the last year. It's one of the all-time coolest vehicles we've ever had on the channel. Oscar is slightly annoyed because every time we get a car he likes, we get rid of it. We got rid of the Focus though, dude, okay? You hated the Focus, and now he has the Ferrari. If you guys did not see the video yesterday, Oscar went for his first ride in a Ferrari, and suffice to say, he quite liked it. It's like the ultimate face-off right now. Oscar's not happy, dude. Oscar is not happy at all because you're buying one of his vehicles. Well, we need to do a formal introduction. Ryan, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Utah as well. So you're buying one of the cars today, so I got to do a proper introduction though. Ryan is one of Chandler's best buddies. You guys know Chandler. I sold Chandler my C8 Corvette. I sold my Ferrari 458. I rebought the 458, and now you're buying one of my cars. This is a crazy like sequence of transactions. I buy cars, sell cars, buy cars, sell cars, buy cars, and it's all with the same group of friends in Idaho.
You gotta just pass them around.
Exactly. So first off, congratulations on the Veyron.
Yeah, I'm first Veyron in Idaho. You know?
That's right, Chandler. That's right. I tried to convince Chandler to buy the Veyron. Could you imagine if you actually drove this back?
That'd be mental.
So Ryan has bought, of course, the Shelby Baja Raptor. So off camera, Ryan just said that his first plans with the Raptor is to jump it.
We're gonna send it.
So I am offering Ryan a 30-day warranty. So if you are gonna jump it,
we're gonna wait 31 days.
Exactly, because once you jump it, that's kind of sort of on you. Ooh, not bad, not bad. Go baby revs for the neighbors. The valves were closed, Ryan. Come on, bro. Okay, now the valves are open. Let's send it.
We're learning the buttons.
That's pretty good. I mean, it's a V6 twin turbo. It's an EcoBoost, and it sounds like that. I am truly gonna miss this truck so much. And of course, immediately Ryan puts on the light bars. When you jump it, don't destroy it. Also, Ryan suggested maybe he's gonna 6x6 it. Maybe. Is that a maybe? Can we get a maybe?
It's a solid maybe. It's a solid maybe.
Cool, dude.
I appreciate you guys.
Safe travels, man. Yeah. Oh, I love that truck. I'm gonna miss it so much. And immediately the warranty is already coming into case. What is going on? The rear light, bro, the rear light bar is not functioning.
No!
You already have your first warranty claim.
We're perfect.
But it's working on one side. Just hit it, Yogi. Come on, the magic Yogi touch. Come on, baby. No, nothing. I wonder how long it's gonna be before Ryan calls me because something else broke on that car. Why did I have for a warranty, Luke?
First it's gonna be lights, then it's gonna be the engine, then it's gonna be something massive.
No, that's not gonna happen. I didn't have to offer that warranty, but I did out of the graciousness of my heart, and we're down for the count. One light bar. Yeah. The Raptor is gone. The Tesla is gone. We got some money that either A is gonna go toward a new motor on a Raptor when he blows up in 20 minutes, or the Ferrari, the V12 Ferrari is coming sooner than you think. So the Veyron is still for sale. And that's obviously, I mean, that's not gonna sell anytime soon. It might, but it probably won't. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We have a minor change of pace in the vlog. We are taking the Adventurer Coupe to swap with the NASCAR. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. The NASCAR is back. Oh, we're good. Nice. We're back, baby. I don't even remember how to start this thing, but, oh, that's a good sign.
That is a good sign.
It's not gonna start, bro. We got nothing. We haven't driven this in 6 months. Not a huge surprise. I have no idea where the battery is on this. In a lot of ways, this scene right here is very iconic. The problem is not one single person, except for maybe kind of sort of Casey, actually knows what he's looking at.
Please, that's an engine. I knew that.
Wow. Please tell us more, Stefan.
I can't.
Exactly. We could really use a NASCAR guy to help us find the stupid battery because we got 4 idiots and none of us can find the dumb battery, Casey. You're the smart one here. We're relying on you. But actually, like, if there's any NASCAR people that know where the battery is on a stock car, I realize it's a stock car that races in the NASCAR series. If you know where the battery is, please let us know. But we really need to get this to the house today because tomorrow, yes, tomorrow. Nothing. Well, we triggered you guys last time by using starter fluid, so guess what we're gonna do this time? More starter fluid. We need more secret sauce. Where's the good stuff? Oh yeah, should we get 2? Let's get 2. Give the old shakaroo. What could possibly go wrong right now?
Okay, now I see why you look like such an idiot.
Hey,
Get in.
You see what I mean? Stefan, could you be our starter fluid connoisseur?
I'm a spray guy.
He's like this off camera as well. This could be interesting.
Ignition.
I have absolutely no idea what he's doing.
Does that work?
Yeah. That's it.
When do I spray?
Right now. Start
now?
spraying. No. Once we start cranking. Right?
Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah, start spraying.
Like that.
Oh, yes. Stop, that's way too much. That is way too much. You are going out of control.
I asked you.
That was a constant stream.
Keep going.
Bro.
So starter.
That was like a horse peeing.
Look at my face. When does it look like it was the last time I worked on a NASCAR?
Good boy. Okay, wow. That was so much starter fluid. We are going to get beat up in the comments.
Also, Stefan, much closer.
It is so strong.
Closer? Much closer to the carburetor.
All right, let's try this again. Yeah, get closer. Come on. Get in there. Yes. Hold idle. Oh, we're good. Yes. No, the garage door is open. Stop. Come on. No. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Oh my gosh. Bro, dude, we were suffocating. Are you okay? Bro, the garage door wouldn't open.
I know. It's so funny.
And it's so strong in here. Dude, we just inhaled a lot of CO2.
Dude, just turning this on, I just got all jacked and ready to go. Let's do it.
I am mildly queasy right now. Luke is jacked up on life though. I can't believe the garage door wouldn't open. So it's been a constant problem where we can't get the garage door open. We'll come to the warehouse. You'll click the button like 100 times and it finally opens. And right then of all the times it won't open.
It's always at the worst time.
It's always at the worst time. Whenever we're late, it won't open. Blind spots were good. I cannot see though. I can't believe we're back here in the NASCAR right now. Of course, it's 5 o'clock traffic right now, so we're balling at F-150. Luke, though, comfortable, collected. Dude, this thing sounds so good, so we're in neutral. Oh my gosh, come on, let's go. It's so nerve-wracking to drive this because we don't actually have headlights or taillights or brake lights or blinkers or mirrors, so what's up, bro? Oh my gosh, I forgot how loud it is! I thought that was a cop right there. This is so good! This is literally the coolest way to drive though. I cannot hear. Hi, Daddy! Hey, Daddy!
Hey, Ricky Bobby!
Hi, bro! It's back, baby!
Wow!
Back!
I like it.
Yep.
It stinks.
I know.
Am I good? Up front, am I good? Yeah, good. Am I good? Yeah.
Gosh, that thing is so loud. I'm still feeling the fumes from Stefan and the starter fluid in the garage wouldn't open though. I feel all loopy. Well, about an hour and a half later and a lot of dead brain cells, the NASCAR is finally back in the garage, safe and secured. I'm not going to tell you what the plan is, but it's coming to the vlog sooner than you think. You see, guys, you thought today's video was over, but nah. Today's video still has more to come. I can't believe it. Josh isn't here. Yeah. Bro, we drove all the way here just to see him. Unbelievable. Oh, yes, here she is, the CA Corvette. So we have a couple tricks up our sleeves. Check out the custom painted calipers in the rapid blue to match. It looks so dope. And yes, I realize we still have the positive offset, but that is such a cool touch. I'm officially obsessed with painting calipers. I know the Pandem wide body kit on the CA Corvette is kind of sort of a love-hate relationship, but it looks so dope in person. I'm sure most of you guys saw that Chevrolet just announced the Z06. Should we get the new Z06?
Yes.
Okay. I guess we're getting a new Z06. I don't know if that's actually happening. I don't know how to quite say this, but off camera, I may or may not have just completely ripped the front splitter off. Okay, I didn't rip it off, but we scraped it in pretty good. That being said, like, I love this car. This car is the ultimate daily driver. The rapid blue interior, this car is so dope. And yet we ruined it, didn't ruin it with a wide body kit. We changed it. We made it better. We enhanced it. And on time, every time. Welcome back to Lux Automotive. We are picking up the Aventador Roadster. I wish we could drop off the C8, but unfortunately, Chris has to fly to Canada. Bro, you're not going anywhere. You're not going to Canada. I got your next car for you.
Yeah,
wait, don't you have a flight in like an hour?
I do, yes.
Like,
yes.
shouldn't you be leaving like
I got
right
the
now?
laundry drying. The laundry's drying.
The laundry is drying. Guys, check it out. Oh, my goodness, this car looks so dope. I cannot get over it. We have the full Expel paint protection film over every single panel on the car. We've got the lighting, the special lighting. Check that out. I can't get over how crazy the Aventador Roadster looks now. Like, the paint has so much more depth with the Expel paint protection film. Chris, dude, thank you so much.
Definitely.
And when you said you had to do laundry, like, you're not joking. Like, your personal laundry, do you ever go home?
No, I'm catching a flight in an hour. I gotta go to Calgary.
Dude, thank you so much. Guys, if you have a cool car that is important to you, you gotta get it protected with the Expel. Just look at my car, yours can look just like this. The Pandem C8 looks so crazy in motion. Bro, you look beautiful. That looks so good. I really love that kit. I think it's gonna grow on a lot of you guys. You know what you're doing?
I have no idea.
That's what I thought. I cannot wait for the wheels. Wow. She looks so good. The Aventador Roadster fully protected with the Expel Ultimate Plus. And yes, the NASCAR is here. Lots of exciting things to come, but I'm exhausted. And luckily today's video is ending on the world's most comfortable couch. My productivity levels since I got this couch are simply unparalleled. Today's video is over. Luke is Googling how to jumpstart a NASCAR, but I see an outlet right here. There's an outlet, it says probe. What if we just plug it in? What's the worst that could happen? Other than the car blowing up, catching on fire, and destroying the entire warehouse, including the Ferrari and Stefan's car that's over there.